guess where we are?
You can't guess. We're in the middle of Kansas.
Well, we're doing our first ever harvest host.
Yes.
Thanks to our lithium and solar. We are Plaxico, Kansas.
Plaxico?
Plaxico,
I'm
Kansas.
not even certain how you pronounce it.
But we're at a winery.
Very close to Topeka.
In the boondocks of the galaxy.
And check out these views.
It's a tasting room.
It's a tasting room for a Kansas winery. It's pretty cool.
It is.
What do you think, Teddy?
Teddy's enjoying this big, huge front lawn and chewing his 15-foot leash. Teddy, step.
Good morning. So last night we stayed at our first ever harvest host, just west of Topeka, Kansas. It's a winery. Of course, we picked up a bottle of wine. I'm not a drinker of wine anyway. I'm a drinker of bourbon. So if I get Boot Hill bourbon, Stephanie gets some wine. It was a great stay. We were the only unit using the facilities. Woke up to low 40s. Some little cloud cover coming through. But it's a really nice place. Flat, level, and the greener couldn't have been nicer. So we'll see where we're headed tonight. I don't know if we're going to go up through Iowa or down through St. Louis on our return to Wisconsin. And I don't know where we're going to stay yet. That's kind of half the fun of it, isn't it? So we'll see you along the road.